Good evening, guys. Hope you're having an amazing day. It is King here. Today we are in Fethiye, and as you guys probably know, I love Turkish home-cooked meals. And there are a lot of classic lokantasis here in Fethiye. So today we're gonna go explore some of them. We're actually not even near the city center of Fethiye. We're a bit quite, almost like a half an hour walk out of the downtown area of Fethiye, but it's gonna be really exciting because this part has some delicious foods and I can't wait to share it with all of you guys in today's video. Let's go eat.
Yes.
Okay.
Tam yerine geldim vallahi ya.
Perfect. Wow.
Dur lan.
Which one do you think is the best?
Best. All together is best. It's very best. Very best.
What is this one?
This vegetables and beef.
Vegetables and beef.
Yes.
Oh, okay. What is that?
Rice, couscous.
Oh, and then this one is also rice.
Yes.
Which one is better?
This is better.
That one's better? Or
Yes.
that one? That one's better.
Yes.
That one's better, okay.
Bir tane ondan ver.
This is beef?
Yes. This one.
It's good?
Yes.
Alright, let's go with that.
Güveç mi? Güveç. Güveç. One portion döner kebap.
Yeah, do you want a kebab? Yeah. With
Tomato sauce.
Yes, yes.
Tomato sauce. Yes.
Anything else?
One person.
Yeah. Alright, first stop of the day, we are at a place called Sechin Lokantasi. Let me just say, the people here, they're the friendliest. They're so nice, they're so friendly. Oh, I'm already so excited. They have doner, they have all these cooked foods. I am literally starving right now. But first, let me just introduce my good dishes here. We've got some beef cooked with, I think, some peppers. We've got the Turkish couscous, which, wow, looks amazing. And then, oh, this doner kebab, literally, he just cut it right off the spit. And then he just poured tomato sauce and oil on it after cooking it, like, fresh off the fire. I am so excited. But first, we're gonna go in with the beef, which has all these ingredients in it. It's got peppers, I think it's got some eggplant. Oh, this looks so good. Oh man, let's give this a try. Oh, that beef literally melt in your mouth. That is the most tender beef. Oh man, literally, whether it's the vegetables or the beef, everything is just soft, it's tender, it's really, really oily and delicious, which I love. But wow, the tenderness, it's just been cooked such a long time. Yeah, that beef, no need to chew at all. And the best part is that the cuts of beef, it's not just lean meat, it's got some fat in it as well. So you've got that good fattiness that's also melting with the lean meat. Oh yeah, that is divine right there. When I went in, that was the first dish he recommended and he said it was the best one, and I'm so glad I took it. Next we have some Turkish couscous, which, I mean, just looking at the color, it's literally orange. It is so orange, it looks so delicious. Let's try it out. The flavor in that couscous is so good. I mean, there's onions, there's peppers in it, but the flavor, it's so tomatoey. It doesn't even taste like couscous. You got such a strong tomato basil flavor inside. Oh wow, that is so delicious. I mean, each grain itself is really, really soft. It's cooked to perfection. Oh yeah, the flavor though, the flavor is where it's at. That is spectacular. Now, of course, to the main feast here, the doner kebab. I mean, just looking at it make it made me so excited and happy. I've never seen kebab presented this way, where it's with tomato sauce and bread on the bottom. Never had it this way specifically, but oh, this looks delicious. I mean, he literally had a pot of fried oil and just poured it overhead. This is gonna be good. Let's try this out. Oh my god. The most roasted lamb meat. It is literally so smoky. You can taste that grilled charredness. It's not exactly the most tender piece of meat, but the whole point is to have that crispiness from the charred texture of that doner, that huge grilled meat place there. But on the bottom, the best part, they have some like little bread cubes which are soaking up all that juice, the tomato sauce, the oil, the juices from the meat. Let's try this out. That's the winner right there. That bread, literally a sponge soaking up the tomato sauce, the olive oil, the juices from the doner kebab, the oil that he literally fries from the fire and just pours it overhead. Oh my god, that is so good. That is probably one of the best doner kebabs I have ever had. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, this place is located right next to the bus stop, so oftentimes locals, when they're coming into Fethiye, they'll drop off there, then they'll come here, eat something, and then head into downtown Fethiye, and it's for good reason. I mean, this place is just exceptional. Oh, thank you. A knife to cut the doner kebab with. Everything in here, amazing. They gave me a free salad as well as part of the entire meal, so really, really friendly people, really, really delicious food. If you are in Fethiye, this is a must-try shop. I mean, this is literally right next to the bus stop. Whether it's you're just arriving in Fethiye or you're about to leave Fethiye, come here, have a delicious meal, and trust me, you're gonna be so happy for the rest of the day. Total price for that meal was 78 liras. A little bit on the pricey side, but I mean, that was for a doner kebab and 2 meals, so I guess it was quite worth it. And I mean, for the quality of the food, absolutely delicious. 78 lira, but I'm still happy with it. The friendliest people, the nicest people. They kept offering me food on the house. I felt bad. I told them no, please, you know. So yeah, really, really delicious food. Definitely go try that out when you're here in Fethiye. Some of the best Lokanta food I think I've had in Turkey. Alright, let's go get more food. Next place we've come to is a place known as Sahil Lokantari. It's also another one of those lokantasis, and they have a bunch of home-cooked food as well. It looks delicious, but we've gone for the kofte, cooked in potatoes and peppers. We've gone for some chicken stir fry, which actually looks really, really Chinese. It looks like a Chinese stir fry. And then some fried potatoes and some fried eggplants, which looks crispy, looks delicious. But first, we're gonna go in for that kofte, which apparently is supposed to be what they're most famous for. And I mean, looking at it, it does look pretty dang good. I mean, you've got onions, you've got peppers, you've got potatoes, and then of course you've got the meat. But let's just go ahead and try it out. That kofte is good. The kofte itself, unlike other koftes I've had, which are really soft and mushy, this kofte is very crispy. Sort of, it got like, it has more of a bounce and a bite into it, which I really, really enjoy. It's a little bit char grilled on the outside, so it's got a bit of that crispiness, but the inside is really, really soft and tender. But that sort of bounce, that bite, that bounciness, you don't really get that in other parts. It's really, really liquidy and really soft in other lokantasis I've been to. Both have their own pros and cons, but I will say this is really delicious. The potatoes, the peppers, the onions, all char grilled, really, really nice. Next, we're gonna go in for the chicken, which I'm telling you, it really looks like a Chinese stir fry. You've got onions, you've got peppers, you've got chicken, and if you gave me this at a Panda Express, I would not be surprised at all. So this looks like some Chinese chicken stir fry. Let's try it out. Oh, that may look like a Chinese stir fry, but wow, that is not even close to a Chinese stir fry. It has all the basic ingredients of a Chinese stir fry, yes, but the flavor, it's completely different. It's so much turmeric and pepper. It's almost like a Middle Eastern Chinese stir fry. Wow, that is surprising. I guess that explains why this dish is so yellow, but wow, I did not expect that much turmeric. If you love turmeric Oh, this is the dish for you. That is perfect. Finally, fried potatoes. I mean, I don't even know how you mess up fried potatoes, but let's just give this a try. Oh, perfectly crispy, delicious potatoes, fluffy on the inside, crispy on the outside. I mean, you can't really mess up fried potatoes, can you? So, yeah, all of this really, really delicious. I would say the kofta must get. I don't think it's so unique here. The turmeric chicken is wow. It's just very overpowering with turmeric. Really, really strong spices and flavors in there, so definitely unique. Fried potatoes are fried potatoes. You can get those anywhere, but they're always going to be good. So yeah. Also, there's a salad, but we all know we're never going to touch the salad. That's that's so much greenness. Oh, I can't deal with that. Nope. I'm just going to push it away, and we're not going to look at that. As is the case with most of the lokantas I've been to in Turkey, that was another delicious meal. Really, really good quality. Total price was 51 liras for those 3 dishes. Yeah, absolutely worth it. Let's go find something sweet to end off the day with. Alright, you guys know that I love baklava, and so we decided to come to a store. It's known as Lada Baklava store. It's very famous. It's supposed to have some of the best baklava here in Fethiye, and I mean, wow. We got 2 types. We got the normal baklava, and then we got something known as kadayif, which I've seen being sold everywhere. But total for all of this was 23 liras. I mean, this looks delicious. I'm gonna first start off with the kadayif. It literally looks like a bunch of little fried noodles soaked in some syrup with some pistachios. I've seen it everywhere, but I've never gotten the chance to try it. So, oh, I am so excited. Let's go ahead and try this out. It's literally thousands of tiny little dough strands fried until they're super, super crispy. It's almost like the crispiness of a kunefe, but it's not cheese, it's just pastry. Oh yeah, that is really, really good. I mean, the texture is just so, so unique, and of course, there's just like literally a pistachio powder, a mountain of pistachio just on top of the fried dough. Oh yeah, that is really, really satisfying. Let's go with the baklava. Simple, classic baklava. Oh man, look at it just oozing that pistachio. Let's try it out. I can't get over how good baklava is. I am in love with baklava. It was actually invented here in Turkey in a city called Gaziantep. We will not be going to that city this time, unfortunately, but wow, I love baklava. That dough, so flaky, with all that sweet syrup sauce absorbed into it. That layer of pistachios, crispiness, a little bit sweet, but very nutty at the same time. Oh yeah, that is so, so good. Yeah, baklava, one of my favorite desserts that you can have. Absolutely love it, absolutely delicious. Oh, so happy. As always, nothing better to end the night than with some baklava, and wow, that was so delicious. The kadayif was so unique. I've never had kadayif. Those like little fried noodle things. Wow, delicious. Absolute must try when you're here in Turkey, when you're here in Fethiye. Yeah, delicious. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. And the mosque is just started its prayer. But that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you an idea of local Turkish food here. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post a new video. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.